Get a full credit sweep plus build personal credit fast with Finance Builders. Just like you, many of you struggle with bad credit and really needed credit repair fast. Most people don't want to wait for 90 to 180 days for conventional credit repair to work because they need money now. Everyone knows the sooner your credit files are swept, the sooner you could qualify for things like personal loans and business opportunities, personal credit cards, store and vendor cards, regular financing at fair interest rates and not payday loans, with super high rates. And the list keeps growing and growing and growing. You need credit for many things, but more specifically to get approved for funding when you need it the most. With traditional credit repair, you have to wait patiently. You can count on 30, 60, 90 to 180 days or more, if successful, but can you really wait that long? You miss out on great offers on good deals/opportunities when you have to wait more than 30 days for a response allowed by the Fair Credit and Reporting Act, and sometimes longer. Many of the big firms advertising credit repair only send out generic contesting letters and not on their law firm's letterhead. Why? Because they know you are going to be on their program for 3 to 9 months and you are going to be paying them $99 per month or more without any guarantee of success. We remove all hard credit inquiries in 3 to 6 days and you will see the results on the credit bureaus. We fight them until they come off. 100% success rate guaranteed. Sign up and get your credit swept today.